What's up? It's me. I'm back with another video, and today I am doing one of this Joe Mauer thing because I got bored and I haven't been posting for so long, so I just decided to do it. So yeah, here, let me look. This one, let me see really good. They are numbered to 365, so there's only 365 of these sets in the world. So and it was $16. I went to the Twins game yesterday. They lost. So I'm gonna open this up. I don't really care about the package. Well, just this is what it looks like before it gets destroyed. Sorry I haven't been posting, so if you don't leave a like, it's okay. Because I know, I haven't been posting for a very long time. It's been 2 weeks. Okay, here's some of the pieces. There. Okay. Let me see if there's instructions. Oh, good. There's no instructions. So, we got headphones. We got little pieces of arms and elbows. And we got a baseball bat. We've got I'm not sure what that is. We'll have to find out. Got all the pieces? No, drop them. Okay, so our little figure is already made, the Joe Mauer. Now I think I'm gonna put that. Wait. I am missing a lot. Oh no, I'm not missing. Thank God. I was about to say I was missing a piece, but I'm gonna put that on the elbows. I have no idea what to do. So. Excuse me for a second, because I need to try and build this. It's pretty early in the morning. Okay, I'm hoping that's what I'm supposed to do. Problem is going to be getting a baseball bat on there. It's going to be hard. I wish I started a time lapse before this. Oh my god. I'm feeling like this is the wrong way. Okay, this is a little bit difficult. Especially because there's no instructions. I do not know what to do. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Oh my god. I believe this one goes on this hand. Yes, I believe I'm right. But that's what I'm thinking I'm going to make him in the game. So. This is like the little home plate. I know you're not supposed to stand on the home plate, but that's just what it was designed. We have a ball and a glove. So you can put them in the outfield too. hitting. Oh. I got lucky. I saw it. Oh my gosh, these tiny pieces though. Yeah. Here. Okay. I was looking if there's any instructions on it, just to maybe help, but there is not. Now, I have hockey pretty soon, so I'm gonna have to finish this. I don't care. I don't know if I put the arms on it or. So the real problem. So I got my figure, but I need to get the bat onto him, and I have no idea how I'm supposed to do that. I got it. I know that isn't how you're supposed to hold the baseball. Maybe if I could get it where he's holding it like he's actually supposed to. Oh, actually, I might be able to get him to hold it the right way. That's what I'm worried about right now. Surprisingly, I actually did it. Here is the figure for you guys. Joe MAUER. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you a 360 view of him on the plate. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? So yeah, guys, I am going to put him I'm going to show you guys if I can put him with the glove. Here you go, guys. Here's catching a ball. So, yeah, guys. Here's him catching the ball. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned how to do this, because I know there's no instructions. And these pieces, like, they just come off right easily. So don't worry if they fall off. It's normal. Now I'm going to put him into the position I like with the bat. So yeah, guys. It might take a little bit for you to get it, like it did for me. And yeah, so I can't seem to do it again, but yeah, guys, I hope this was a good instruction for you. So I will see you guys in the next video. Again, sorry for the lack of posting. So let's see if we can get this video to, let's get it to 2 likes. 3 would be awesome. Remember, I'm going to do a giveaway once I hit 6 likes in one of my new videos. So go smash the like button. And we are so close to 70 subscribers. It's one step closer to my ultimate goal of 100 subscribers. I hope someday you guys could get me there. And thanks for watching. Peace out.